Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel, The Sorrel Trader. So today we will look at the end of the day charts for S&P 500 and all the indices. So if you see, the S&P 500 is currently trading at 3866 and it's almost flat. This is the action for the day. So right at the top of the candle on the Friday, it went up and was not able to take out the high, and it has formed an inverted hammer. However, we are above the T line. So technically, we are still in the bullish zone. We should not be shorting, and we are actually, we have booked some profit on the top, and we have hedged the remaining positions through at the money puts. So primarily, this is a setup where, and tomorrow we have some FOMC meeting, important meeting. So we should be holding on to creating any new long positions for a while. If you look at the charts, intraday charts. So that's where we closed yesterday. And after that, there was a buy signal on Saral 2 system on a 30-minute chart. And the whole night from 7 p.m., we were moving in the direction of 3928. We went up to 3928. These Saral levels that we provided, there was a stop loss for a short position at 3930, which was not taken, and then there was a big sharp fall which came in. This is The Saral system works on all time frames, guys. Intraday, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, all time frames, depends on what suits you. So if you look at the 15-minute chart, we went long. There was very clear buy. We went up to the top, and right before the open, at around 8:45, right after the open, it gave a sell signal. If you look at the Saral 1 system, which is a little more, there were also clear buy and sell signals right before. If you look at the 30 minutes, so typically market was trying to find a direction. They wanted to go up. I mean, people call it bull trap, whatever traps, but typically if you're following a system, you will come down. Now looking at the price action, we think that we should not be taking any short positions right now, or any new position should not be added. If you are having long positions, you should try to hedge them. Future markets are open. If we look at Nasdaq, the Nasdaq is a little bit more sharp reaction. There is a same level. I mean, they tried to went up, go up, and they couldn't, and then they fizzled out, and they had a sharp move. It is down. It is down more in percentage terms than S&P 500. It is closed below the T line, but above the critical average. So technically, it's in neutral zone between these two lines. We remain neutral. We actually, no positions are advised. If you have any positions, you should try to hedge them. We had a long position which is at the stop loss is at 11,200. So if that is taken, we will be out. So typically, even this price action is bullish, and if you remember, we will look for a long entry after the event is over. If it comes to somewhere this level or this level and we get a setup, we will enter, but not before that. We are actually in no trade zone. If it goes below this and we get a level where we get to buy, as per our setup, we will enter. Now let us look at the charts of Dow Jones, Dow Industrial Average. This is one of the most bullish out of all the indices. Typically, it rallied very fast. It has taken out, and now today's price action is still similar price action. But if you see, this is not even half of the candle. It's not even midpoint of this candle. So this is still in a bullish zone. However, it is at a key resistance level. So typically, we will again, if you have to create a position in this, it is above T line. Wait for the right setup to come in before you enter, guys. Our trading screen for both positional and intraday is live on YouTube every day, and also on Twitter. You can just see there. If we look at some of the charts, we talked about SOFI. SOFI had a great earning release and it went up sharply today. At one point of time, it was up 20%. So my options trade was about 600% up, and I booked it half of that, and I'm still carrying half, but it's fallen sharply after that. So I'm not sure if the follow through buying will come. Another penny stock or small cap or no cap stock was that we are trading and we have a position is TAST. Um, I mean, it's trying to stabilize. This is a daily chart. It's stabilizing on it, and still in the bullish formation. There are results on 9th. So we have taken full position. We have hedged our position, and we are just waiting for it to play out. One of the trades that worked for me today was soybean. So I took a position in soybean yesterday, an options position I took in the evening, and it gapped up in the morning, and I was able to sell my call at pretty good profit. So that is still, this is a bullish setup. We may see this moving up towards this level, 1510 level. And similarly in commodities, wheat also has given a buy signal today, and on the Saral 2 system, and we might see this moving up and taking the previous highs. So 950 call is something that you can buy, and you can sell 1,000 call, make a bullish call spread, buy 950, sell 1,000. That is a trade that I will look at. Or you can buy just 950 call for the nearest expiry that is coming in, or you can just buy a micro future. The symbol is XW. Let's look at some of the large cap stocks. If you look at Amazon, Amazon has broken the support, last support that we talked about. This support has been taken. They have closed below 98. Now that's a bad signal. I think technically it's still not broken, but if we close another day, below 1% or 2% below this level, previous to this close, this level, and then we might look at a serious downtrend coming in. Same with Google. If you see Google also has taken out the previous support. It was 92. We closed at around 90. 47. Technically, we just 1% away. If we close below 89 in the 2 days, this will be another down leg, a severe down leg. One thing on Amazon is that Amazon has closed below the technical psychological mark of 1 trillion market cap. So there are two things that can happen. One is that people may think that this it's a value buy now, psychological level, or psychologically it can also happen that people may start selling, thinking that it's going down further. And there is a bearish signal coming in, and if you see our custom indicator has turned red. For last 3 days it's red, and it's trying to go up, but it's again closed red. So this histogram has also increased. We are looking at, if we don't move up or close above 92 in next couple of days, we might see a new down leg. This will be sharper. Some other trades, GoPro, I exited today. I wanted to be light, and I also asked my subscribers to book profits, primarily because we wanted to be light. Price action is still okay, but we just wanted to be light before the big event coming in. Bitcoin, let's see Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin, there is a killing. It's a bullish setup, guys. This sideways move. Uh, Depending, it is a bullish setup, but I actually exited my position in futures just because I wanted to be light before the big event and see. New Zealand dollar and USD. New Zealand dollar and USD, we booked profits today, and the setup is still bullish, and we are above the T line. If this crosses tomorrow, based on the how the event is, we can see wild moves up and down. I am holding half of my position, and I will only reverse it when the signal is reversed on daily charts. So it's a bullet setup, guys. Some other things, if you have any stocks that you want to view on, let me know. You can comment and we can take it up. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking on this, and also we give daily levels for all the indices. I will be sharing the levels for all the indices for tomorrow on our Twitter handle as well, and also in the description of the box. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day ahead.